The government is intensifying its crackdown on corruption in flood control projects. 8 people are already in custody and 3 more are reportedly preparing to surrender. That's according to DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla. Just Ignacio is on the line with the details. Hi, Just. What is the latest here?
Following the surrender and arrest of 8 individuals involved in Alamo's flood control projects, Department of the Interior Local Government, DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla anticipates that 3 more will follow suit. In a press briefing held at Camp Crame, Remulla stated that 3 other individuals involved in the flood control projects who are currently hiding in another country have sent surrender feelers to them and expressed their willingness to surrender to the authorities. Currently, authorities are holding 8 individuals involved in the anomalous flood control project. 7 are under the custody of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG, who were identified as Department of Public Works and Highways Mimaropa 4B Regional Director Gerald A. Pacanan, Assistant Regional Director of the DPWH Bureau of Maintenance Jean Ryan Alurin Altea, Assistant Regional Director Ruben de los Santos Jr., Chief of DPWH 4B Construction Division Dominic Gregorio Serrano, Chief of DPWH 4B Maintenance Division Juliet Cabungan Calvo, and Project Engineer Third Felizardo Sabare Casuno. Meanwhile, 1 individual is under the custody of the National Bureau of Investigation, who was identified as DPWH 4B Bidding and Awards Committee Account for Lerma Dotado Caico, who was arrested in Quezon City at the house of the Vice Mayor of Bansud Oriental, Mindoro. Remulla also called on former Acobico Party List Representative Zaldico to surrender, asserting that the law will relentlessly pursue him until he is apprehended. The SILG also warned those who assist in harboring fugitives, stating that they would face corresponding penalties for their actions.
Just, do we have information kung nasaan yung mga akusadong patuloy na pinaghahanap pa?
Yes, earlier SILG Remulla confirmed that 4 of the 16 individuals with arrest warrants over the alleged flood control project anomalies are currently outside the country. Those reported to be to be abroad, according to the SILG, are former Acobico Party List Representative Zaldico, kung saan at large siya ngayon, at yung huli nilang nakuhang impormasyon ay nasa Japan umano ito. Kabilang din dyan si SunWest President and Chair of the Board, Aderma Angeli Alcazar, kung saan yung last known location na nabanggit kanina ay nasa New Zealand daw ito. SunWest Treasurer and Board Member na si Cesar Buenaventura na ang last known location ay nasa New York. DPWH OIC Chief Planning and Design Division Montrexis Tamayo na ang sabi kanina ang last known location nito ay nasa Jordan.
Madami na palang nasa ibang bansa na Just. So ano ang mga hakbang ng gobyerno para mahanap sila at maibalik sila dito sa bansa?
Kanina nga patuloy na ina-assert ni SILG John Vic Remulla na ang sabi niya nga kanina, to quote, "Wherever you are in this world, we will find you." Yan yung kanilang patuloy na pag-assure sa publiko at doon din sa mga akusado na nabanggit na patuloy nilang hahanapin itong mga naakusahan.
Thank you. Just Ignacio reporting.